This video I will be showing you how to display product weight on Shopify website product page. As you can see right here, I'm on my product page and you can see the estimated weight of the item. To do this, all you'll need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to select products from the top left hand corner. After selecting products, you're going to select the product that you would like to add the weight on. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and you want to ensure that you have selected this is a physical product. After you have done that, you can set the weight for the item and you can also choose whether you like it to be in kg or oz or pound, as you can see right here, or gram. So you can select whichever one of these. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner to save your changes. And next, I want you to select online store from the left hand menu option. After selecting online store, you'll be redirected to the themes page. On the themes page, you're going to tap on customize. Once you have selected customize, I want you to tap at the top navigation bar right where you see home. You're going to tap right there and you're going to select products. Then you're going to select default product. After selecting default product, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on add block. After selecting add block, I want you to select custom liquid. Once you have selected custom liquid, you're going to tap on custom liquid and then from there I want you to paste in this code, and I'm going to be providing the code as I'll be leaving a link in the description. All you'll need to do is simply copy the code, then from there you're going to go back and you're going to paste the code right here, then tap on save. After you have done that, you can move it into whichever position you want. So for example, at the moment it is displayed right below the price. If you would like it to be right below the buy button and description, you could move it and add it right there, as you can see. So it is completely up to you. You can move it wherever you would like it to be placed. But I like it right here, right below the price. Once you have done that, you can tap on save. Keep in mind that whenever you change the from kg to pound, it will also automatically be displayed here.